Miguel. Avery. Bakani. Today. Dali na. Yan. Okay, Miguel. Today, we will cook sinigang. These are the ingredients. What are the ito, ano to?
Kangkong.
Turo mo. Kangkong. And next.
Tomato.
Next.
Onion.
What else? Bawang. And eggplant. What else? Okra. Radish. And next. Last one. What's that? Sitaw. And what's this? Pepper. And pork. And this one. What's this, Biggie? And sampalok. Mix. Yes. Now let's start to cook sinigang. Miggy, na-boil na natin yung pork. Malambot na yung pork. Sabi mo nga.
And onion.
No, ngayon pa lang natin ilalagay yung onion. Lagay mo na yung onion and tomato. Sabi mo. Ano nilagay mo? Onion?
And tomato.
Tomato. Opo. Miggy, lagay mo na to. What's this? Radish. Okay, careful dito. I will help you. See that? Yan. Wait natin makook yung radish.
And tomato and onion.
Yes. Close muna natin ito. We will put all the vegetables. Eggplant. Sitaw. And okra. Laglag mo na. Careful. Wow. And wait na naman natin mag-cook, no? Miggy, lagay na natin yan. Last one is kangkong. And
Leaves.
Kangkong leaves. And what is this?
Pepper.
Okay. Wow. Ganda.
Hi, go. Kahit munti. Manandoon. Ay bali-bali. Sige mas atawan. Tiyas amni. Ikaw batani. Munggo botola. Kalabasa. Ito meron. Tata. Luya. Kamatis. Bawang ng luya. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.